Hey everyone, it's Mike from M&M Professional Window Cleaners. I'm here in North York, Shepherd and Yonge area. Anyway, just wanted to answer a question we got a couple days ago. Potential client was asking us if we pressure wash when we're cleaning the outside of a residential house. And this person had bad experiences with pressure washing as a form of window cleaning before. We're not talking about pressure washing like siding or things like that, or sidewalks or things like that. They've had a bad experience and heard bad things about window cleaners pressure washing windows of their house, and they were wondering if we do that or if we have poles that clean with that method. And so our answer was this: we don't pressure wash to clean outside windows. What we do is we use a system that's called water fed, or it's also called pure water window cleaning. And what that is using pure water. That's water that has nothing in it, no minerals like what you get in your tap water. Like with your tap water, you get things like calcium and silicates and things like that in your water. But the water we use is purified. It has no calcium or anything like that. It's just pure water. And so we have pure water coming up alongside a pole. We have a brush on the end. And so this pure water comes out, and we scrub the frames, we scrub the glass with this pure water, and we leave the water off. We don't squeegee it off. We leave this pure water after we scrub and rinse the glass. We leave that pure water, and because there's nothing in that water, it dries spot free. Now the pressure that comes out is not high pressure, it's very low pressure. So it's not something that can damage the windows or frames. It's about the same pressure as a rainstorm, a normal rainstorm, a normal falling of rain. So we use this pure water, and it gives good results. There's no ammonias or detergents in the water, so it's environmentally friendly. The water dries spot free, and as a benefit to our guys who are cleaning the windows, ladder use is greatly reduced, if not eliminated, which means there's much less chance of any dangers with working at heights. So it's a win-win for everybody, and most definitely pure water window cleaning or water-fed window cleaning is not pressure washing. They're not the same. Hope that helped you. Talk to you soon.